How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. So let's say we're here to our menu, then click on our name, and then from there, as you can see, we can click on the three dots just beside advertise. So if the lock option is not showing, that may be because you are in a professional mode. So what you can do in order to fix that is to turn it off. Click on this turn off professional mode and click on continue and click on this turn off right here and also turn it off. Once you have turned it off right here, as you can see, you can close this. Then from there, head over and then refresh your page. Then click on the three dots again, and then the lock profile should be able to open in here again. So the lock profile has actually disappeared earlier because you're on a public preview, which means that you can't lock or make sure that your posts are on private because you're public figure. So you need to click on this in here again if you want to lock it altogether. So that's how you fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Hope we help.